Discussion on phenogroups in heart failure with preserved ejection fraction or HFpEF. Clustering analysis of heart failure with preserved ejection fraction was used to define three distinct phenogroups by Shah and associates. They used dense phenotypic data for phenomimapping. They prospectively studied 397 HFpEF patients with clinical, laboratory and echocardiographic data. Please subscribe to this channel for future updates. Click on the subscribe button. Press the bell icon after that for all updates. Several statistical algorithms were used to define and characterize mutually exclusive phenogroups of HFpEF. By phenomimapping analysis, they arrived at three distinct phenogroups with markedly different clinical characteristics, cardiac function, invasive hemodynamic patterns, and outcome. Phenogroup 1 was younger and had lower BNP values. Phenogroup 2 had highest prevalence of obesity, diabetes mellitus, obstructive sleep apnea, and highest fasting glucose. Phenogroup 3, oldest, more likely to have chronic kidney disease with highest serum creatinine and lower glomerular filtration rate, highest BNP and MAGIC risk score. Risk level increased sequentially from phenogroup 1 to 3. MAGIC risk score was developed by Pocock and associates for predicting mortality in heart failure. It was based on 39,372 patients from 30 studies and comprises of 13 clinical parameters. The parameters were age, lower ejection fraction, New York Heart Association class, serum creatinine, diabetes, not prescribed beta blocker, lower systolic blood pressure, lower body mass, time since diagnosis, current smoker, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, male gender, and not prescribed angiotensin converting inhibitor or angiotensin receptor blockers in the order of predictive strength. Cow and associates divided 4,113 patients with HFpEF into 6 subgroups A to F. They used I-preserved data for derivation. It was validated using CHARM-preserved data. In their study, subgroups C and F had the worst event-free survival. Subgroup C had high prevalence of obesity, hyperlipidemia, diabetes mellitus, anemia, and renal insufficiency. Subgroup F had female predominance, advanced age, lower body mass index, and high rates of atrial fibrillation, valvular disease, renal insufficiency, and anemia. TOPCAT study participants were evaluated by Cohen and colleagues to identify HFpEF phenogroups. They used multiple biomarkers from frozen plasma, echocardiography, arterial tonometry, prognosis, and response to spironolactone therapy. Patients were classified into phenogroups 1 to 3. Phenogroup 3 had the highest risk of cardiovascular death, heart failure hospitalization, or aborted cardiac arrest. All-cause mortality was similar in phenogroups 2 and 3. Risk reduction with spironolactone therapy was more in phenogroup 3. Going through different attempts at phenogrouping HFpEF, different investigators arrived at similar groups with, of course, varying parameters. Risk was higher in the numerically higher groups. The parameters used by them were mostly those which are known to carry poor prognostic weightage. Here are the first set of references. Second set of references are here. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future updates and click on the bell icon for all updates. Thank you.